product is a blister packaging machine innovatively 2024 designed by Migran Machinery, and its functions have reached the domestic advanced level. Suitable for aluminum plastic, paper plastic, aluminum composite sealing packaging of capsules, tablets, large honeydew, candy, liquid, paste, disposable syringes, and special shaped objects in the pharmaceutical, healthcare products, food, cosmetics, medical equipment, and other industries. The Quick Connect model is used for the forming and heat sealing stations of the machine, and it only takes 5 minutes to replace the complete set of molds. The adjustment parts are indicated by a graduated scale. The machine is equipped with servo traction as standard. Optional servo manipulator removes the plate conveyor belt, with optional outsourcing connection flow packer or cartoning machine, cursor matching, special feeder for aluminum, camera detection, reject device 316 stainless steel for drug contact parts, etc. More details, please contact us.